Are you an IMG looking to get ECFMG certified? Here are the steps to get certified. Ensure that your medical school is registered to the World Directory of Medical Schools. If the World Directory of Medical Schools states that your school meets the eligibility requirements, verify that your graduation year is included. The link to the site is up there. Secondly, fill an application for ECFMG certification. You will be issued a Form 186. Complete it and notarize it with the services provided by the ECFMG. As a third part, congratulations! The application is done and you can pursue further the exam requirements for certification. If you like this US residency related content, you can support the channel on the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Now you will be able to schedule your exams. The exams required for ECFMG certification are Step 1 and Step 2. Firstly, search a prometric center in your area. You can use the link in the description. Now you can return to the Iowa portal and begin a Step 1 or 2 CK application. After making the payments for the exam, which are $975 plus the regional tax, you will be issued Form 183. With this form, you will go to the office of your university and demand an ECFMG recognized signature. After the document is signed, the university office will send it to this address. After the ECFMG headquarters receive the Form 183, you will be able to schedule your exam through the exam permit. It's the time to prepare and take the Step 1 or Step 2 CK. This playlist will enhance your knowledge for Step 2 CK. If you want to know how to prepare for the exam day, you can access this video. Breathe in and breathe out. Now you are done with the exam requirements. The last step is to prove your clinical skills. To accomplish this section, participants to the ECFMG certification in 2023 and in 2024 have to take the pathways. More details about the pathways are at the link in the description. However, we will discuss the sixth pathway, one of the most common ones. For this pathway, you will require 3 doctors that are practicing medicine in your region for at least 5 years. Each of them will evaluate 2 of your interactions with different patients. They will use an ECFMG issued checklist that you can check in the description. Finally, they will submit this evaluation to ECFMG, the communication skills. These are tested with OET, or Occupational English Test. The OET has 4 sections: writing, listening, speaking, and reading. For the ECFMG certification, you are required to take above 350 for each section. If you want to receive a free summary sheet weekly for USMLE or for the clinical rounds, send an email to medicalperspectiveblog@gmail.com. The last step in the ECFMG certification is represented by sending the medical school diploma. This document has to be translated at a notary. Well done! You are officially ECFMG certified and you can match into the US residency. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button.